going everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. My name is Noah and today I'm gonna show you guys how I style my 350 V2s. Now a lot of you have been asking, what do I wear with my 350 V2s?
Literally no one's asking you that.
Fine. I just want to show people my style, okay? My swag.
And most of your clothes are Uniqlo.
So what? It's nice. Stop judging me! Now one thing's gonna be consistent in all of my outfits, my shirts. Now if you haven't noticed, in every video that I have posted, I'm always wearing the same kind of shirts in just different colors. They're the Uniqlo U-Line oversized t-shirt. I just like how thick the material is and how the fit is. It's like a boxy kind of fit. It really fits my whole vibe.
Vibe check!
So I'm gonna show you guys 3 different outfits and I'm gonna use 3 different 350 V2s. If you're looking for a good oversized tee, I recommend Uniqlo. I'm a very big fan of the U-Line in Uniqlo. It's like the fabric that they use is much thicker than their regular fabric. I like that rough feeling and that heavy weight of the shirt. Uniqlo, baka naman! Yo, Uniqlo! I'm a very big fan of your clothes. Enough with the rambling, let's get on with the first outfit. That's outfit number 1. I wore a gray oversized Uniqlo tee paired with the jersey ankle pants, also from Uniqlo, some regular Hanes socks, and then the Yeezy 350 V2 Zebras. Sometimes when I have a lot of stuff to bring, I bring my tote bag. This is not a purse. It's actually the Uniqlo Cause collaboration tote bag. And then depending if I want to fix my hair or not, I wear a cap just to bring the whole outfit together. So that's outfit number 1. On to outfit number 2. This outfit number 2, this time I wore a oversized white tee from Uniqlo again, and then some distressed denim from Old Navy, and then wearing the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the earth colorway. So yeah, this outfit number 2. I'm so freaking tired already. On to outfit number 3. Outfits you'd see me most wearing. Basically this is a very chill outfit for me. I'm very into basic tees. If I do wear logos on my shirt, I make sure that I represent whatever I'm wearing. I'm very tired right now. and I still have like 2 videos to do. Make sure you leave in the comments down below which outfit is your favorite. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure you smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell on so you would know when I drop another video. And follow me on Instagram at Noah's Big Arc, where I post all the latest sneaker news, sneaker releases, sneaker restock. Like some of my pictures to make me feel special and to cure my depression. And as always, I'll catch you in the next episode. Peace! Follow me on Instagram at Noah's Big Arc and let me know what other